Hello and welcome to this video lecture. Let us start by talking about the first property of inequality, which is positive rule. Multiplying or dividing an inequality by a positive number does not change the direction of the inequality sign, which is positive rule in inequality. That is, if A is greater than B, then A times X is greater than B times X, and A over X is greater than B over X, where X is greater than 0. For example, 4 is greater than 2. When we multiply both sides by 2, we get 4 times 2 is greater than 2 times 2, or 8 is greater than 4. Thus, the inequality sign does not change. When we divide both sides by 2, we get 4 over 2 is greater than 2 over 2, or 2 is greater than 1. Thus, the inequality sign does not change. Let us talk about the second property of inequality, which is negative rule. Multiplying or dividing an inequality by a negative number changes the direction of the inequality sign, which is negative rule in inequality. That is, if A is greater than B, then A times X is less than B times X, and A over X is less than B over X, for each X is less than 0. For example, 2 is less than 4 means that 2 times negative 8 equal to negative 16, that is greater than 4 times negative 8, that equals to negative 32, and 2 over negative 8 equal to negative 0.25, that is greater than 4 over negative 8, that equals to negative 0.5. 5 is greater than 4 means that 5 times negative 2 equal to negative 10, that is less than 4 times negative 2, that equals to negative 8. And 5 over negative 2 equal to negative 2.5, that is less than 4 over negative 2, that equals to negative 2.